Today we're going to learn an important concept called an angle bisector. So what an angle bisector is, it's a ray that basically divides an angle into two congruent angles. So if we were looking at this ray right here, it divides this angle here and this into two equal angles. So if we call this maybe 30 degrees, this would also be 30 degrees. So this right here is the angle bisector. Again, because it divides this angle, you could call it in total a 90-degree angle into two congruent or equal angles. So if that was clear and helpful, please like the video, comment, and subscribe.